Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 update or stick on pending download. How can fix this type of error. Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box type as services, open a services. After opening that, find out a background intelligent transfer services. Now here is right click on start, right click on stop. Now stop this services. Now once again go to your now you can find out a Windows update. Right click and make sure that click on first of all start, right click on stop button. After doing this that, minimize it, go to your open PC, open a C drive, go to your Windows. After doing this that, go to your software distribution, open a software distribution folder. After that, select it and delete all the file and folders. Close it, open a services, right click on a start button. Open a background intelligent transfer services. Right click on start button, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your start menu and go to your settings, click on update and security. After doing this that, go to your advanced options and make sure that download updates over meters connections, make sure that is on. Go back and check for updates. If any updates are required, then make sure that install all updates. Now you can see that some downloadings are required. Now make sure that download all these. Okay guys, after completing that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your any browser, click on a download Windows 10, click on a first link is download Windows 10 disk image, click on update now, click on save button, open a Windows updates. Now you can see data updates required. Update your PC, and I'm sure that after updating your version, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your any browser, Open any search engine and click on a download Windows 10. Click on a first link, Windows 10 disk image. Scroll down, click on a download tool now. Click on save button. Open it. Click on accept button. Select a update this PC now and click on a next button. When you click on a next button, it's required of a few hours to complete the process, and after completing that, automatically your computer is restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.